How's it, you guys? It's your boy Chica here, back with another video. Now, I just recorded this video, but my file got corrupted, which is kind of sad, but what else can I do, it was not under my control, and, the file just decided to get corrupted. So we're just waiting for everything to load. Let's hope it doesn't crash again, because that will be pretty upset again, But we're gonna see right now. You'll see how everything rolls out. I'm gonna restore my pages to see what I missed. Okay, so everything that I was looking at. And now, shout out goes to Kara for the awesome script, which is called Prologia at the moment. They changed the names. Now, before I start out, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. We're already at 7,000 subscribers, which I can't thank you guys enough for. And we're almost gonna be at 8,000. You guys know that my goal for this year is 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But I'm pretty sure we can definitely beat that goal by a lot sooner or later. But yeah, so like I said, like and subscribe, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The script is for the hood. Let me just also tell you guys to join my group. Like I said, the script is made by Kara. And it's actually, like I said, it's rebranded, has more features, it looks different, it looks like a whole completely different script. And that's not it, guys. I believe they have like all of the autoform features that you ever wanted in your life. So I was drinking water. So before I start off, guys, like I said, if you guys join my group and buy some shirts, I will give you a shout out. Now today's shout out goes to 1K Band for buying a shirt, so shout out to them. Thank you so much for supporting, guys, my group and stuff. But let's go ahead and get right into the script, because I know that's what you guys are here for, and that you guys absolutely love. You guys love the hood. It's one of the most popular games on my channel, apart from Ragdoll Engine. And yeah, I will keep on continuing doing the hood videos, and also Ragdoll Engine. But if there's any other games that you guys want me to do, just let me know, because I'm constantly looking for games that you guys like. And I already know you guys like Ragdoll Engine and the hood. They're the most popular videos on my channel. That's why I do a lot of them. But any other games you guys absolutely love, let me know and I'll make them. So yeah. So, like I said, I have showcased Kara in the past, but there's a rebranding to it, and the GUI changed, and there's now like 20 times. Literally, I'm not even kidding when I say it's like 20 times better. Cause like I said, I believe Kara used to be like a little bit of a admin script, and I'm not a big fan of admin script, guys. Like, I like them, they're pretty cool. They make you look like you're an admin, but then they're more of a hassle. Hustle, and you're not hustling. They're more of a hassle to use. As you can see, it loads up and it plays a little song. Pretty awesome. Shows your character, the rules that you have. But before I start, let's start with the credits. So credits go to Kara. You can see they're 17. They have no earnings, 0 PR, and 4 weeks of time of work. So that's actually pretty cool. It took them a month to finish the script. You can teleport whenever you want. Fitness, boxing. Oh, sorry guys, fitness, boxing, gun, admin. Let's go gun, because people outside. You can also buy certain items that you want. So if I do silencer and I click buy, or AK from the side. But I don't have enough money. Let's do, I know. You have to know the name though of the certain thing, but I'm not sure what it's called, So let's see. Is it even here? I don't think it's here. It's kind of a bummer. It's at a police station, but yeah. You also got the auto farm, which is pretty cool. You can do auto farm with any weapon that you want, AK, SMG, revolver. You can also do lettuce and stuff. If you guys want to do lettuce auto farm, you can turn it on and off if you'd like. You can do weight auto farm, hospital, shoes, block speed. You can box auto farm as well. But I want to do the auto farm itself because it's extremely good. So it's going to set it up or something, I believe. And then it's going to auto farm for you. You can make a lot of cash doing this. I've showcased before. It's not picking up the cash. Yeah, it's kind of awkward the fact that it's not actually picking up the cash. So I just left like a couple $1,000 sitting there in the other places. But that's far from the point that I'm trying to make. See, is that right there? Oh. If that happens, just do God Bullet and you should be fine. But God Bullet, yeah, it kind of does that, so. You can only use your fists when you're on God Bullet. That guy's literally panicking so hard right now. You can do auto eat as well. Lettuce actually, sorry about that, guys. Lettuce actually helps you, I believe. You can also clone yourself. What? Okay, that's actually pretty funny. I'm gonna do a bunch of my clones. You can also do black hole, which I'm not sure what it does. Yeah, I'm not sure what it actually does. May reset. I don't know what it does to black hole because it only gets me in the black hole. So yeah, I think it does work. It's just only like me and stuff. So I'm gonna leave and I'm going to rejoin to see what we can do. Alright, now we can go ahead and restart it. There's, like I said, a lot of features, guys. I'm only going through movement, but we also got combat, and that's like a whole other level, guys. I find it, holy moly, I need to sleep. I find it really cool that they're constantly putting out scripts and, you know, helping the competition for this game. And I love this loading GUI. So let me just God Bullet. I'm gonna do Burger Sword. It was pretty funny. I did it right now when I was recording the first video, or the first time, and it's pretty funny. And it's like an automatic heal, you know. What if we do it again though? Okay, never mind. That's the max amount that we can stack. I believe it's like yeah, it's like 2, 4, 15, 10 to 15 burgers just stacked up, and it looks like you have a pretty big sword. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, there's so many other features that I haven't showcased yet on both combat and movement, and I will do that later. You can kick other users that are using all these different scripts. You know, you can kick crypt users, which is the script made by 6EX. I don't take sides though. You know, everyone uses whatever they want. So make yourself anonymous. As you can see, you can sing apparently. And you can make yourself a stick, or I don't know what stick is, but yeah, there's lots of features, guys. You can go ahead and play around with this. We'll be in the description below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.